Hi, welcome to Wild Resources. I'm your host, Phil Mendenhall. We're going to be fishing on Crab Orchard Lake today for crappie. Our trip down to Mississippi's been canceled. We're going to go down there, but the weather was just really looking bad for the whole week. We decided to do some local lakes here in southern Illinois. If you like what you see, please press the like button. If you'd like to subscribe to our channel, it'll help us keep it going for a lot longer, and we can afford to keep doing this. So here's my buddy John Caskey, and he's the captain of the boat that's been my fishing buddy for many years, and since 1979, I believe.
Somewhere in that
or
range.
longer. Fortunately, we're getting old here, but anyway.
Ready to hit the water.
This is the boat we're going to be using, and there's Crab Orchard and the ramp. Anyway, we'll show you how we do as we go along. Here we are on the lake. As you can see, we're getting fish down below us on the sonar, and just got here. There's our buddy Kent Newton over there. He's fishing this spot, seeing if he can catch any. Had to loan us that life jacket because we're short one. Oh, well, I got one here. Oh, this is a nice one. Look at that big boy. Yeah, that's a nice crappie right there, folks. Caught on a chartreuse.
Last night.
Anyway, we'll put him in the live well. About 3 or 4 now. Been here all of about 5 minutes and caught 5 or 6 fish already. There's jillions of them down there. Oh, here's one. He's a nice one. Oh, it's a little white bass. Gillhook. Or yellow bass, whatever it is. Where's that green rock? Oh, there it is. Oh, John just got a nice one here. Yeah, we'll take about 30 or 40 like that. Oh, I just took one. Got off. There's a ton of fish here. That's a nice one there, John. Jeez. Man, that was a dandy. Get him in. Here's another nice crappie here. Just caught him on chartreuse. Here's Kent. Oh, Kent just connected on one. See if he's got a monster or a dink. Ah, a monster dink. Oh, that's a nice one.
Oh, I got your other line.
Yeah, good.
Not bad.
Yeah, that's a decent little crappie. Caught him on a silver spot and white. As you can see, we're fishing along the spillway at Crab Orchard, and there's some green rocks up there that they paint, and they've sunk brush piles out, and that's how they mark where the fish are. Oh my goodness, there's a billion fish down here. Holy moly. You can see on the depth finder how many fish there are down there. It's just absolutely amazing.
Falling off like they're supposed to.
Yeah. That was a nice fish. Yeah, that's a dandy. That's what we're looking for.
Not bad, not bad.
It's about 3/4 pound. There's John catching and releasing another giant.
Maybe.
Well, I just wanted to show you what we've been catching. It's just been awesome. There's that monster one I caught a little bit ago. We had to use the net to get some of these in. We've just been catching them just one after another. Things kind of slowed down a little bit. Still a really overcast day, about 50 degrees. The water's about 44 degrees cold. It's December 6th or 7th, something like that. But anyway, cold, gloomy day. Front coming in tonight. Supposed to get a lot of rain.
Yeah, it's 7.
I'm going to keep working on them here. See how it goes. Yeah, things are looking good. It's been an incredible day, man. One of those days you just glad you woke up, went out, and had a good time. If you enjoyed this fishing, you can subscribe to keep us going a little bit longer. That'll help us out, pay the bills. We'll just keep showing you some really good footage of some fishing, and later on I'll be cleaning these fish and show you how to clean crappie and fillet them out. No bones, no scales, no nothing, for just in a minute for each fish. So we'll get back to you then. Looks like I'm going to have my work cut out for me.